Road to Evolution. Dear brothers and sisters of planet Earth, I am Ashtar Sharon. Greetings in the light and love of our infinite Creator. The transformation is beginning to occur on a massive scale, yet Mother Earth is stable in high frequencies of 3rd and 4th degree. She is preparing for what is to come, is very aware of these changes, and also of her ascension. The storm and events that are expected are the Dark One's final attempts to disrupt the ascension process. They want to take as many human souls into darkness as they can. But this is not allowed. The only ones going with them are those who actively and consciously choose darkness. They know that when the great event takes place, they will no longer be on this planet. Therefore, they are trying to cause as much fear and evil as they can. Stay strong, because you are the ones in control. You, the light workers, the star seeds, the wanderers, are the force of light. All your star families are anticipating the upcoming event that will push Earth into the 5th dimension existence spectrum. However, for this to happen, not much preparation is necessary. We have been helping to guide you and prepare you for this great event. But in doing so, the frequencies around your planet must rise to a higher vibratory spectrum. These are the categories that are changing everything. But as all the light frequencies change, they affect everything within the cosmos in different vibrations. A higher being of light finds it difficult to experience low vibrations, while a being of low vibrations will find it difficult to experience higher vibrations. Therefore, one must prepare for the ascension process. If you focus on raising your own light, it will be much easier to transcend to the higher vibrations. Otherwise, you will find it difficult to balance within these new vibrations, because you are being penetrated by high frequencies. This can affect your physical body. You must do your work. All of humanity is receiving these same frequencies. Not everyone will accept these energies in the same way. Therefore, you must continue raising your own vibrations in the spectrum of love. At this time, many of you are afraid of what is to come, feel tied to 3D, and fear losing someone or something in your life, maybe your loved ones. They are eternal beings, just like you. You have had many lives together, whether on Earth or on other planets, and that has no end. We must remind you that you have the opportunity to create the reality you wish to experience through light. The universe supports you when you are in the light, which means that if you are making a conscious effort to rise in the light and fill yourself with love, this universe not only works with you, it works for you. Our infinite Creator gives us this gift, offering you the power of God within you. A new existence awaits you within the higher light. Your ascension does not end upon entering the 5D spectrum. It continues and will raise you in the light until you meet your infinite Creator. This is your time to shine. The light is on your side, and you have the power to overcome anything thrown at you. Stay strong. The Dark Ones will try to stop you. Focus on the light and love of our infinite Creator. Allow your light and love to envelop this earth and humanity. We honor and love you in the love and light of our infinite Creator. I am Ashtar Sharon with the Andromeda Intergalactic Council. Let's continue preparing for these storms and events that are coming. It's time to enter into inner peace. The door is open for all those brothers who have chosen the light, who has entered into the consciousness of love and unity. Keep in mind the energies of the past 4/4 portal and the eclipse on Monday, April 8th, is the victory of light and love on Earth. Remember to stay alert as the Earth is making some necessary adjustments to its nature. As of today, Friday, April 5th, there have been 19 earthquakes in cities around the world. Bright and with infinite love for each one of you, cosmic brothers and sisters. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light, serving humanity on Gaia. Voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, do not forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to reach the life we truly deserve. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.